Millions of people start each morning with a cup of refreshing coffee or perhaps an espresso. Whether you like the pick-me-up or simply enjoy the taste of a good cup of decaf, coffee is something many can't do without. But it's not so easy to make, at least not the really good stuff, which leads us to this week's Joe's Fox Challenge. Joe spent part of the day at the coffee shop in Oregon. Joe, how'd it turn out?
You mentioned the really good stuff. Oh, well, Laura, it didn't turn out very well. Now, keep in mind, I'm not a coffee drinker, so I came into this challenge not really knowing what to expect.
I need a regular iced latte vanilla, please. Anything else for you?
At the coffee shop on Navarre Avenue,
$3.84, please.
business is booming.
Out of 20, do you have a coffee shop?
It gets rushed with one girl, so we've had to actually put two baristas on at a time now.
Baristas?
A barista, that is somebody who makes coffee.
Like Stephanie Ribby and Sarah Arman.
Which here takes the water and pours the water into the espresso.
Have you always been a coffee drinker?
I have. I've drank coffee with my mother since I was young.
So Sarah decided to get a job where she could enjoy the sweet aroma of this tasty treat.
There you go.
There's a lot of technique that goes into this.
There is. There's a lot of technique that goes into it. There's tampering, steaming the milk, and setting up the drinks.
It's quite tough. It takes a long process, a lot of training, but it's fun. It's a fun job.
Hey Joe, do you think you can make the coffee shop mocha under a minute?
Take the Fox Challenge.
A cup of Joe, perhaps? Nah, I don't think so. First, I better learn about the equipment.
This is our espresso machine. This is where the actual espresso comes out after it's tampered. We don't tamper here. We tamper over there, and then we put it in here, and this pulls it out. We also have a hot water maker, and this is our milk steamer as well.
Coffee shop mocha has the white chocolate and a swirl of caramel with espresso and steamed milk.
Sounds great, so let's give it a try. Ow! Ah! I burned myself. This is hot!
And you're going to want to get your milk steamer, put it on the milk wand so it can go ahead and start steaming.
No! Hey! Somebody turn this off!
Your cup at the same time, get your syrup. It's 2 white, 1 caramel.
Add your espresso and a lot of whipped cream.
Okay. Clean up on aisle 9.
And voila!
We made a coffee shop mocha in 1 minute, 11 seconds.
1 minute, 11 seconds, baby! I'm the winner! Yeah, clean up on aisle 9 is right. I wouldn't suggest drinking that anytime soon. It might not taste very good. But yes, I do need more practice before I get a full-time job over at the coffee shop.